Hi everyone. Why am I stuttering for? Like, it's been a long time since I've done an unboxing video. I don't know what's going on, but I am Missybeelondon. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and I think because I've not done a proper face to camera unboxing video for this box, it's the first time, so I'm not sure how I will do. But yes, thanks for stopping by, and I think you might have guessed it by now by the title anyway. I'm going to be doing the December Tress unboxing. I mean, look at this lovely big box right now. That is their logo. Hopefully this camera picks it up. Tress, the hunt is over. That's what it says. Yep, that's all their social media platforms. That's all the logos. Tress. It's a very big box, ain't it? There it is. Hopefully nothing drops. Why is it hard to open now? I've not got a clue. Oh. Yay, nothing's dropped out. And there's cards with information on it. I will show you again soon. There's another card with information about the products inside. Can you see all the products inside? Oh, I've got candy cane. Oh. Yeah, I like my sweets as well. But yeah, there's many products inside, as you can see. There you go. And I'm going to be talking about them individually. Hey. But let me read the card first, as in. So, as well, you're going to see here. That's who's inside the box this month. It is Sunny Isles Jamaican Black Castor Oil range, and let's see the products that is inside the box. And this is the Tress card that gives you information about the box, and as you can see, it says holiday takeover. Yes, another takeover. And this is the information. The products inside the box. So let's go with the first one, which is the Sunny Isles Extreme Hydration and Detangling Conditioner, which is this product here. Let me bring it closer. Good size bottle, ain't it? Look at it. Good size bottle. I'm hoping the camera is picking this up. Pick this up, camera. That is the bottle. This is a conditioner, but you can use it as a co-wash as well, which they put it in the box for that purpose, for a co-wash, because there's no shampoo in this box, but I'm guessing they do a shampoo as well. But you know what, because the weather is so, what's that word? Cold right now. Look. And it's very thick, actually. Look, can you see it? That's how thick it is. Look. So it's a very good conditioner for my hair, for natural hair ladies. So yes, let's go to the next product. This just feels so weird, and I'm kind of nervous doing this as well, but I'm gonna go with it. The next product is the Sunny Isles Knot Free Forever Leave-In Conditioner. And it's this product here. Good size bottle again, as you can see. And of course the main ingredient in all these products is the Jamaica black castor oil. Oh, it's got a seal on it. Ooh, wait. It smells nice as well, actually. I didn't smell the other one, surprisingly. But this one smells nice. Another thick. Look, I'm going to do this, you know. Oh, I can do it. I think because the air bubbles in it, that's why it's not dropping yet. That shows that it's thick and that is good as well. This is a knot-free leave-in. Oh, detangler. And it says conditioner on the card, but it's a detangler. So that is that product. The next is the Sunny Isles Naturally Curly Styling Custard. I don't know why am I shaking it for, but yeah. Hopefully this camera is picking it up. And that's how it looks inside. Let's open it. Oh, it's got a seal. You know what? Sometimes I can't deal with seals, yeah? But it looks good. I've used a couple of curling custards already now, and yeah. I know it'll be good for twist out, so yeah. Naturally Curly Styling Custard it is. Next product is Sunny Isles Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mousse. Mousse. They put it in the cling film just so in case you just never know what's gonna happen. Just to protect it and protect everything else in the box as well. But yeah, that is the mousse. Because you know how liquids can be sometimes. I'm starting to use mousse in my hair now, you know. Mousse in my hair now, shall I say. And I notice goodness by using mousse in my hair. What do you think of my hair? I've done a tutorial video on this hairstyle, quick simple hairstyle. The next, this is very long, as in I'm taking, why am I being so slow doing this? I ain't got a clue, but let me continue. Sunny Isles Pure Butter Coconut. That's what it's called. I'm going by this card, yeah. Okay, it's like a hair grease. I hope this camera picks it up. And let's look inside. It's got a coconut smell. Reminds me of that coconut cake, but I can't remember the name of it right now. I know it's not called coconut cake, it's called something else, but that's the consistency of it. It's like solid coconut oil because it is coconut oil with Jamaica black castor oil as well. So yeah, that is that one. And the next product is the Jamaica, Sunny Isles Edge Control Gel. It's in this nice packaging as well, as you can see. And there it is. Shall I take it out? I like the top actually, I like the design. How do I take this out so neatly? I did it. Oh, look at the nice design of it, look. Ooh, I like that sound as well. Well, it's an edge control, yeah, so you know it's going to be, oh, it smells nice. It's going to be firm inside. I don't want to put my finger in it yet, because I'm not going to use these products just yet, because I've got other products to use. But yeah, and that will be all of the Jamaica Black, actually all of the Sunny Isles range that I got, which was 6 products, plus my favourite brand in the world. Oh, I've got another, I was the same. I'm thinking there was 2 of these, yeah, but it's one. Candy cane. No got a clue. But yeah, my favorite brand in the world. I've been using it forever and ever. Palmer's, as usual. Got a little travel size body lotion. Hopefully the camera picks it up. And it's the original as well, cocoa butter. I've got a tub of the solid form of the cocoa butter as well. I'm hoping the camera does pick this up, you know. So these two, lovely travel size. Pop them in your bag, travel with them. When something is dry on your body, you know, you just whack it on. Yeah. But yeah, let me just show you again. I don't know, this just feels so weird for real. It's just so weird. But yeah, showing all the 6 products. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 6 full-size products in this box, plus my 2 little travel size Palmer's products as well. Ain't you nice, Tress? Thank you for giving me all these products. Well, forgive me. Thank you for a great selection this month. It's Christmas month as well. But yes, 6 products I've got. Woohoo! And I've not used these products before as well. They're new to me. That's why I've not got a lot to say about them, because I've not used the products yet. But yeah. Ooh, this is what I got. And this is so weird. I'm actually doing a faced camera unboxing of the Tress box. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this. This is, I can't keep on saying, I can't help saying that it's weird, because it just feels so, because usually I'll be like putting the product in front of the camera, then doing my voiceover, but this is so improv for me right now. But yeah, I've done it. This is information about them, about Sunny Isles products, and plus you can use it on your eyelashes and on your eyebrows for hair growth as well. I'm hoping that the camera has picked this up, you know, for real. I'm here taking my time with this, you know, for real. But yeah, thank you again. Ooh, I got a bit. Yeah, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Shall I do more unboxing videos face to camera like this, even though I found this a little bit different? But yeah, I don't know, I'm so used to being behind the camera now. I'm so used to doing my podcast now, you know, with the microphone, chat to my iPad to record it, and that's it. Now it's like I'm back in front of the camera. I've lost my something. But yeah, this was the unboxing of Tress December. Thank you for watching again. Like I've just said, come back again for January's box, which will be in January 2019. See you in the next video, yeah? And oh yeah, if you're new, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, leave a message, leave a comment, check the description box for information about these products as well. Yeah. Oh yes, did I not say that Jamaica black castor oil is made in Jamaica? Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Yeah, I'm a Jamaican. But I've not been to Jamaica yet. But yeah, I'm a Jamaican, yeah. So whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Yeah, and Usain Bolt's from there as well, yeah. Whoop whoop. Yeah. But me gone now, yeah.